Throughout history, the way we use money has always changed. We started with bartering goods, then moved to coins, paper money, and now digital payments. Each time, money evolved to solve problems and make life easier. Today, we're seeing another shift, Bitcoin. Some believe it's the future of money. Why? Because if history repeats itself, Bitcoin is the next step. Think about coins. People use them because they were easier to trade than goods. Then paper money replaced coins because it was lighter and more practical. Today, most of our money is digital, just numbers in a bank account. Bitcoin takes this a step further. It's digital money, but it's also decentralized. This means no government or bank controls it. Instead, Bitcoin uses blockchain technology, a secure system that records every transaction for everyone to see. Bitcoin solves problems that traditional money can't. For example, central banks can print more money, which causes inflation and lowers its value. Bitcoin is different. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist, so it's designed to hold its value over time. It's also global and fast. You can send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere without needing a bank. Some people doubted the internet when it first started. They called it a fad, but now we can't live without it. Bitcoin is at a similar point today. It's still new, but its potential is huge. If history is any guide, Bitcoin or something like it could become as common as credit cards or online banking. People are losing trust in traditional money and looking for something better. Bitcoin offers transparency, security, and a way to avoid inflation. So, is Bitcoin the future of money? If history repeats itself, it just might be